Hi everyone, thanks for joining me on my life on a hill. My name is Tracy. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button. So today I'll be doing these green ombre nails and covered with rhinestone. And again, I will be using my Madame Glam base coat for this. It's just to make it a little bit thicker. And also the top for the gel polish will be this rosy nude. Oh my gosh, I didn't realize how much I would love this color. I am not a nude person, or brown, a fall color. I'm more like summer, bright pink, neon colors. That's who I am. But for my ombres, I could never find a beautiful nude or brown, or in order to do the French, or even for French, I could never really find a nice color that I personally like. But I was so surprised how much I love this one. So I will be doing this for all 10 fingers. With this color, and then I'll be using my, I think I've used this will probably be my either second or third time using the Young Nails airbrush with the paint that they sell. I had gotten it at, I got it at one of their shows they had in the area. So I think I look, whenever I buy stuff, I wait till they have a sale on it. For their drill, I got it online, but I waited for a sale also. But then Cara Sky came out with her cordless gel, and I'm so angry because I ended up having a orally. This is the paint that I'll be using from Young Nails, or the color. I have to check to see if it's an acrylic or what. And this is the cordless spray. I like anything cordless, and that's why I got the Cara Sky lamp. And also I really wanted the cordless drill, but that didn't come out till after I got the Young Nail drill. If I could get both, I will, but not right now. So I'll just be spraying it. This became very temperamental. It took me longer than necessary. I will try it again because I was googling a few, or YouTubing a few little tricks to it. So I'll try it again to see why. And next time I'm going to put like a napkin on the bottom base, just to save time for cleanup, because it cleans up. It's water based, so it's easy to clean up. It's just the time. And with these, I don't know what it is with Young Nail products, but I always get contact dermatitis when I'm done using them. So I had taken my gloves off at one point, well, a few points, and now I am dealing with that. So my next video after this one will be a little food one, just to give my fingers time to feel a little bit better, because once I keep on the gloves, they will get like worse. They get really icky. So this is what they look like when I'm done. And like I said, look at my little white base. And I will go ahead and use my Orly Builder in order to put on my rhinestones. And I kind of just wanted the rhinestone on 2 fingers. But have you met me? Yes, apparently you have, because then I'm gonna put this on all the fingers. But anyways, please go follow my Instagram page. It's also my life on the hill, and you could see different things that I post on there. And also my TikTok is at my life on the hill, and then my Patreon is patreon.com/nailroomtalk, and you could go over there and support me in all those mediums, and see some stuff that I put here, I put there. I try to put everything in one location, in all the location, like the same thing. But like TikTok, you'll get this, but just like at a speed with some nice music. So so what I like to do is put on my like buff the surface, and then put on my whatever resin, glue, builder in order to do that. So while I'm done doing that, I'm just going to go over it with my top coat, my Madame top coat, and then here you have it, you guys. So these are gorgeous. Again, I plan to do white nails first, and then after another ombre, because I will perfect this airbrush. It's not just their airbrush. I have airbrush for cake, but I didn't want to mix the two, so I kept that separate. Plus that's more bulky, and it's like literally a whole case, where this was just a little countertop. So I hope I can fix the problem, and I will let you know in the next video. So check it out, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button, and go hit me up on a lot of the other mediums there. So be safe, you guys. Have a wonderful day. And I'm about to go eat because it's time for I eat 6 times a day, 3 snacks and 3 meals. And the meals are carb cycling. So I'll have a video up on that too. So be safe. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification button so that you can be the first to get my videos. Bye-bye.